Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Idioms 474. The idiom today is, now you're cooking. If somebody says, now you're cooking, it means one is progressing or advancing, or that one is finally doing what one should do, or what is the correct or proper behavior. The origin of this phrase dates back to the 1930s. It originally came from a natural gas company trying to persuade people to use gas rather than electricity for cooking. The phrase was originally, now you're cooking with gas. The phrase was coined by Carroll Everett Deck Holgate, who worked for an American gas company. He found a way to get the writers of Bob Hope's radio scripts to plant it into their dialogue. Thus, the comedian Bob Hope helped to popularize the term, and it took off from there, and was often used in TV and movie scripts. Today we have 4 examples to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. That's the way to do it. Good. Now you're cooking. Number 2. Good. You are doing it the way I taught you. Now you're cooking. Number 3. Your skill really improved at playing the violin. Now you're cooking. Number 4. You could do it much faster now than before. Now you're cooking. Okay, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.